Hello everybody, this is episode number 17 of Let's Make the Text Editor, and on this episode I will try to build my text editor under Windows. So I spin out the fresh Windows, and this is Windows 2012 server, and I will try to build everything on fresh Windows from scratch. And I'm total newbie in the Windows, so please don't laugh about my mistakes. So let's start doing things. So first of all, I need to download Visual Studio, but before this thing, I know I have to do this thing. I sort of figure out. So before this thing, I want to download Chrome, because I like Chrome more. And I think then I was playing around with this thing. Secure connection. Okay. So yeah, I wasn't able to figure out how to disable this thing. So I'm going to add Google Trusted, and then I'm going to search for Chrome. See, and it's keep bothering me. Download Google Chrome. I already had Google, what is going on? And also, yeah, free download. And what? I cannot download it. How I did it before? Google Chrome. So what is going on? Is it downloading or what? Save, run. Oh yeah, it's installing. Nice. So what kind of machine I have? So I have one CPU, two CPUs, 7.5 gigs of memory. Hopefully it will be enough for Visual Studio. Nice. So run Chrome, keep for now, and Visual C++. Not this thing. Visual Studio Express. Visual Studio and Visual Studio Express, and I believe it's free. And I already tried this thing and it didn't work, and this thing worked Windows desktop. So I'm going to download this thing and install it. Okay, and it's gonna take a while. Sorry for the this. Just want to move. It's being 1 pixel down. It's 1 pixel left. Here I agree, and it doesn't matter. So while Visual Studio installing, I already play around with it, and I was using weaker virtual machine, and it was basically unusable. Hopefully on this machine it's gonna be smoother. And the plan is install Visual Studio, install Git, then download source code, then download SDL library and SDLTTF library, and then try to compile. And then I was trying to compile. I got some issues, but it was kind of minor issues. Different compilers, they work differently, and they never follow 100% C++ standard, and so different compilers work differently. And because of this thing, and it's actually good, because what Visual Studio catch was kind of reasonable. So what else? There is another thing. It's like an open dialog and save dialog. I was using dirent, and Windows doesn't have this thing because dirent it's POSIX, and Windows kind of doesn't look like POSIX system. I don't know, probably I can use dirent. Probably we can Google for this thing. This one actually biggest thing. So let's see, dirent Windows. They suggest boost file system, but I do not want to mess around with boost. Oh nice, free Windows implementation of dirent. Okay, I will try to play around with this thing. So it's actually good news, so I will not need to modify my source code. So, and definitely installation process looks smoother. Before it was all jerky and very slow, so upgrading machine actually helps. So it's Amazon, and it's actually quite nice. I take a look of prices, and so for I mean I can show you. So this is what I can install on Amazon Cloud, and actually it looks like it's gonna be free for me. I don't know, it didn't say anything about monies, but even if it will not free, I mean I will spend like roughly 1 or 2 hours for this thing, and after I will shut it down. And prices, let me see, EWC, in EC2 pricing, we can see prices for this thing, and I run Windows machine medium size, I guess, or large size, general purpose. Yeah, general purpose, large size, and it's 37 cents per hour. So even if I will spend like 2 hours doing this thing, it's gonna take like 60-70 something cents, so which is not big deal actually. And I'm thinking it's actually good thing for me, because I will be able sometimes run Windows machine and be able to check my builds, my text editor, and it's not too much money. Quite nice. And it's SSD disk, 8 gigs of RAM. It's not bad thing. And why I decide to do Windows, because with Mac, on Amazon it doesn't work. Mac on Amazon I can do only Linux, Windows, and that's it. So it's Linux, Red Hat, and what is it? Please, why it's just saying Linux? Red Hat EL, I have no idea what is it. Please, Windows with SQL, standards, SQL Web. Oh, here is it. Choose Linux Enterprise Server, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, and Microsoft. So yeah, nice, it's installed. So I'm going to run it. No singing up. Okay, nice, it's running, and I need to install GitHub. No, not GitHub, just Git for Windows. It's advertisement. This is correct page. So it's download, and I'm running it. File 636 Git. Yeah, let's add it here. Okay, finish. And now I'm going to go to GitHub. text. So I'm going to use this link to get the can I use PowerShell? Yes, I can. Let's go to documents, git clone, insert. That's it. And also I need SDL and SDL 2.0, and I need binaries and development for Visual Studio. Similar thing I need for TTF, documentation, download, where is download? So I need binaries for Windows 64-bit and development libraries for Visual Studio. Okay, now I'm going to think it's in downloads. I'm going to extract everything, extract all, don't open window, extract all, and extract all. Cool. So includes you know, I'll move it to Visual Studio. New window. So where is Visual Studio? Files, Visual Studio. Not here. Visual Studio. TK. You know, PC include. Yeah, I think this will work. So new folder, SDL2, and I'm going to move all these includes here, and same thing for TTF. Good. So libraries also going here. Oh, let's has DLLs, but I need only library here, so TTL, and for okay, with DLLs, let's do DLLs as well. I think it's Windows System, right? Windows System 32. So yeah, it has all DLLs here, so I need to move SDL DLL here. Come on, move. And for TTF, it has more DLLs. That's it. So now new project. I was always confusing what kind of project I want to. Let's try this thing. Text edit. Text editor. Okay, directory, empty project. Okay. Then it's in documents, I think. I'm going to get all files except this one and this one and this one. So all CPP and HPP files. Going to add this thing to project. Then libraries. So okay. Let's deal with it later. So compile. So this thing control cursor. So it's inside cohort, and here's it. There is a missing constructor x and y, and I want to default constructor also. Oh crap. X ax, y ay. I hate this thing. Why it's doing all this thing? Can I text editor, tools, options, tabs? No, it's not tabs. Text editor, right? Come on. C++ text editor. Okay, general text editor. C++ text editor. Automatic brace compilation. General. Tabs. Search spaces. Ooh. And actually, to be let's keep it like this. Compile. So I need to include algorithm. So dirent. Okay, we will figure out what is going on here. Conversion from to color requires narrowing conversation color. You reach it to T like this. One argument. Term does not evaluate to function taking one argument. to repeat. Performance warning. How to deal with it. Conversion from SDL key mode to unsigned int requires an arm. Huh? Really? SDL key mode. Modifiers. SDL key mode. Interesting. Why it's okay, I just do this thing. I don't like this thing. Why it's can I do like this? Dirent, there's now one function taking one argument. Mem does not evaluate the function taking one argument. Because it's not function, it's functor. How to deal with it? Why Visual Studio you do not like this thing? I can do this thing. Will you happier? What to do? So get return type of functor. Oh wow, this thing should work. We'll see. Still not happy. Does not evaluate the function taking one argument. Probably it's true. Do function takes only one argument. It's not true. I can do same trick with wow. Yeah, looks like it works. So now I'm going to deal with dirent, and I think I figure out how to use it. Where is it? Here, dirent. Yeah, so extract. Where is it? Extract all. What? Okay, let's try this one. Copy and files. Visual Studio. Include paste. So let's read the instruction. So I did download things. That's it? So should work. Texteditor. Did I copy it to right place? It's my thing. So why I need this thing? Max path down. Okay, so I'll use half-coded thing. No, I can do something like where is it? Save down. Control Z. Build unistd.h, and I can create it. It's not in dollars document. New text in h. Then one open. Max. What is max? Max path. Max path learn. And then star. Change dir. Cons char star. Anyway, I mean, we need something like UESD. This thing is confusing. Visual Studio compiler. Stupid Visual Studio. Malloc. Texteditor lib. Entry point must be defined. Main. Where is the main? Here is it. Here it's defined inside the main. Why you're not happy? Project. General. System. Right, so I need to add sdl2.lib, right? Visual Studio, sdl2 and sdl2 main test main Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V test. I don't know why we need this thing, but just in case. And DLC. Okay. Didn't help. I don't know why I need test. Entry point must be defined. Clean. Oh, entry point must be defined. Linker system. Okay, let's say it's console. Project linker system. And what? Subsystem console. Subsystem. Windows. Console. Native. OSI. Let's try test. Unresolved external symbol SDL get error. I have to add only one thing, so let's remove this guy and this guy. Nope, didn't help. I cannot figure out what is going on. Let's make me typo first, right? So if I will make the typo okay, something like this. Will it complain? Yeah, it complains. So it's actually trying to link, but it's not able to. Probably something with probably it has to be C. How to do it? Language, no. C forgot the keyword. C++ keywords. Is it export or extern? Extern. Yeah, it's extern. Extern C. So probably I need to use this thing. Let's try. SDL2. Hopefully it will help. Oops. Oh my gosh, how much I have. Nope, it didn't help. Dump bin. Oh, dump bin. Search. How I can search? Oh, search. Dump bin. Yeah, I got it. BC binary. Symbols. Libraries, SDL, toolib, symbols, exports. There is no underscore. How about SDL2 main, exports, symbol. I think I need to include both. Doesn't matter. It's doing extra C, so for some reason it's adding underscore. Should have internet some magic key. See documents. Documents. Studio. Projects. Editor. Debug. Symbols, underscore is the getter. What is going on? Why? Unresolved external symbol. Windows console. Doesn't help. Let's read tutorial. Multi-threaded DLL and multi-threaded debug DLL. Where is it? Where is it? Set runtime library value. Multi-threaded debug DLL. I did everything, it just doesn't work. Let's try this thing. Nope, still doesn't work. Let's try release. Oh, what happened? Oh, load. Downloads. Oh, I don't need undo. I don't need to do anything, I just need to switch to release. Let's start try release. Ah, no, I need to add one. To add here. Lib L2 main lib to tf lib. And also I need to set system constant. Didn't help. I'm pretty sure I downloaded 64-bit. Did I set up as target 64-bit as well? 32 project 32. What is this deal? I don't know. Just DLL. Let me try 32-bit version, just in case. Huh, it worked. Huh, okay. So, same thing for TTF. Oh my gosh. Control C. Control V. And resolve this external simple SDL main. Did I add it to linker? It's here. Let me do test as well. Something new. Okay, paste. I have to inside main.cpp. I need to include SDL. SDL.h or SDL main.h. Paste. Cannot convert argument 2 from yeah, it's compiled. So now I have to deal with DLLs. So it's where is it? Oh, it's in downloads, right? Downloads, and then for TTF-DLL. So this one, Control C, and should go to C Windows, and syswow 64, right, Control V, and SDL, DLL, this DLL, Control C, Control V, and hopefully it will work. Oh, leave retype. Oh, I'm sorry, leave retype. Downloads and sleep. Control C, Control V. Yeah, finally it's compiled. So I need to implement something. It's but I will do it later. So this is idea behind. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next time. Bye.